of Givemock. I hope you all are doing good and you must be prepping hard for your upcoming CIB examination. So guys, today in this video we will discuss BFA Module A Unit 1, that is exchange rates in Forex business. Alright, we will cover 10 MCQs from this chapter, and we will also discuss in the upcoming videos we will discuss FEDAI guidelines and numericals related to the international business and Forex business. Okay, so let's just get started with the first question. So guys, the first question is Forex deal is done on 1st of November 2022 and settlement of funds takes place on 3rd of November 2022. So the rate at which a deal has taken place is known as, so you have to choose the correct answer from the options given here. So let me tell you the correct answer. The correct answer is option B, that is spot. Okay, so guys, just remember that. So if the settlement of the fund takes place on the same day, then that is called cash deal or ready deal. Okay, so suppose if the date of cash deal is 1st of November 2022, then the settlement date will also be the 1st of November. Okay, so it happens on the same day, right? And if the settlement of fund takes place on the next working day of the date of deal, then that is called TOM deal. All right, and if the delivery of the fund takes place on any day after the spot date, that is called forward. So इसको दिमाग में रखिएगा. All right, let's move on to the question number 2. If the forward value of currency is higher than the spot value, then the currency is said to be at, so you need to choose the correct answer. Guys, the correct answer to this question is option A, that is premium. So it's quite an easy one because कभी जब भी forward value में currency higher रहती है spot value से, so you can easily see that currency is at premium, and if the forward value is less than the spot value, then the currency is at discount. So just do remember that. Question number 3, when the unit of the local currency remains fixed and unit of the foreign currency varies, the quote is called. So guys, you need to choose the correct answer here. Let me tell you the correct answer. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is indirect. So whenever the unit of local currency remains fixed and unit of foreign currency varies, the quote is called indirect quote. Okay, so for example we can say डायरेक्ट कोट में क्या होगा. डायरेक्ट कोट में क्या होता है कि लोकल करेंसी जो है वो वेरिएबल होती है और जो फॉरेन करेंसी वो फिक्स होती है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल 1 USD इज इक्वल टू 80 रुपीज़. सो हमारा जो लोकल करेंसी है 80 रुपीज़, दैट वेराइज, राइट. 80 से 81 होता है, 82 होता है, बट द USD रिमेन्स फिक्स्ड, द फॉरेन करेंसी. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट कोट. अगर इसी को अगर हम बोल सकते थे कि ₹80 is equal to or for example ₹100 is equal to 1.115 USD, then that's called indirect quote because our local currency remains fixed and unit of foreign currency varies. Okay, so just do remember that thing. Let's move to the question number 4. Please select the least appropriate in respect of the factors based on which forward price of your currency can be worked out. So guys, you can go through the options. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is rating of the currency is the least appropriate. So guys, whenever forward price of a currency is if you work out on the forward price of a currency, then what matters is spot price of the currency, interest rate differential of the currency, and term period for which the price is worked out. Okay, not the rating of the currency. It is extremely inappropriate in this context. All right, let's move on to question number 5. Simultaneous buying and selling of a commodity into or more market to take advantage of temporary discrepancies in a price is called. So guys, the correct answer to this question is option B, arbitrage. Okay, so arbitrage is simultaneous buying and selling of a commodity into or more markets to take the advantage of temporary discrepancies. Okay, just to remember that. Let's move on to question number 6. Name the authorized dealer category under which entities are allowed to undertake only purchase of foreign currency notes and traveler checks. So guys, you can go through the options and tell you the correct answer. The correct answer to this question is option D, that is category 3. So guys, category 3 are called also these were earlier, they were called restricted money changers. So authorized dealer category 3, they are only allowed to undertake purchase of foreign currency and travelers checks, nothing more than that. And authorized dealer category 1 are banks, financial institution, and other entities, and they handle all type of foreign exchange transaction. And if I talk about the authorized dealer category 2, then they are the money changers. They are allowed to undertake sale, purchase of foreign currency notes, traveler checks, and they also handle foreign exchange transactions related to remittances, okay, and also remittances related to travel, studies, medical, etc. Okay, so just to remember that. And I'll tell you one thing also, the authorized dealer category 2 are also called full-fledged money changers, okay, FFMC. So just to remember that. Let's move on to question number 7. According to the FEDAI guidelines, known holiday is one which is known at least dash working days before the date. So you need to choose the correct answer. The correct answer to this question is option B, that is 3 working days. So as per the FEDAI guidelines, the known holiday is one which is known at least 3 working days before the date, okay. And any holiday which is not a known holiday is defined as suddenly declared holiday, okay. कोई भी हॉलीडे को नॉन हॉलीडे करने के लिए 3 वर्किंग डेज पहले जानना होता है, अगर वो वैसा नहीं है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड सडनली डिक्लेयर्ड हॉलीडे, ओके. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. अकॉर्डिंग टू द RBI guidelines, all borrowings of banks including ECB and temporary overdrafts in Nostro accounts not adjusted within 5 days shall not exceed 50% of the tier 1 capital or dash whichever is higher. So guys, you need to select the correct answer. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is USD 10 million. So guys, RBI guidelines कहता है कि all borrowings of banks including ECB, okay, external commercial borrowings जिसको बोलते हैं ECB, and temporary overdrafts in Nostro accounts not adjusted within 5 days shall not exceed 50% of their capital. बैंक के tier 1 capital के 50% से ज़्यादा exceed नहीं होना चाहिए, और USD 10 million whichever is higher, okay. So just keep that thing in mind, quite the important one, क्योंकि RBI guidelines से जुड़ा हुआ है, तो IIBF में ऐसे questions पूछ देते हैं, okay. Let's move on to question number 9. Please select the incorrect statement in respect to the major FEDAI guidelines. So guys, इसमें 3-4 guidelines we have pointed out, A, B, C, D. You have to choose the incorrect statement which is not in FEDAI guidelines, okay. So I'll tell you the correct answer. The correct answer to this question is option A. Option A is incorrect statement, and the correct, in the event of delay in payment of interbank foreign currency funds interest at 5% above the prime rate of currency of the specified bank shall be paid by the buyer's bank. So this is incorrect. The correct guidelines is, in the event of delay in payment of interbank foreign currency funds, interest at 2% above the prime rate of currency of the specific banks shall be paid by the seller's bank, okay. And all B, C, D's are the major FEDAI guidelines. For example, strike bills drawn under import LC would be crystallized on the 10th day. So just to remember that all forward contracts must be for a definite amount with specific delivery dates, okay. And all cancellation shall be at bank's opposite TT rates. So these 3 and 4 major guidelines, you need to keep that thing in mind. कभी कभी FEDAI guidelines से ही ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछ देते हैं CIB एग्जामिनेशन में. So just do keep that thing in mind, okay. Let's move on to the last question of the video. Please select the incorrect statement in respect to the functions performed by the mid office of a dealing firm, okay. So go through the options. The correct answer to this question is option C. C is the incorrect statement. Processing of deals, account reconciliation, etc. are done by back office. And apart from C, all the 3 functions are performed by mid office, okay. Mid office क्या perform करता है? Risk management, parameterization of risk for forex dealing operations, and compliance of various guidelines and instructions, okay. So guys, we have come to an end. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and also share the video with your friends. And guys, in the coming videos, we will come with the major FEDAI guidelines and also RBI guidelines related to the forex business, and we will also come up with the numerical case studies related video, okay. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.